So I think it's important that I make an introduction for what I'm doing. What you can expect in this channel is nothing but one. And part of one being Air Jordan 1s. I don't know why I'm just grabbing it with one hand when I can just do this also. Cleaning Air Jordan 1s. These are not supposed to be this way. By the way, this is a lighter gray. This was a very light gray when they were just unpacked. Lace swaps, I guess what people call them. These are sail laces on shatter backboard lows, OG. Something that you maybe already have noticed is that they're creased. I use all my shoes. I'm not a collector that doesn't use shoes. I don't have such a big collection, but for the collections that I have, I do use all my pairs. Yeah, as I said, you can expect. Anyway, see you in the next video.